Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the introduction to fire safety. Um, this course has been designed to provide you with a simple safety tips that will help prevent fire at home and in the workplace, and to educate you on a proper usage of fire extinguishers. Every day, fire causes great loss of life and property. They impact industries negatively by destroying business and traumatizing family by destroying homes, workplace, house, etc. Most of these tragic incidents are prevented. Fire extinguishers are first line of defense against this destruction. It is necessary that everyone knows how to operate them and understand their limitations. While knowing how to use an extinguisher is vital, fire safety goes beyond just that. It includes learning how to keep your home and workplace free of fire hazard and being careful in face of any threat. A portable fire extinguisher can save lives and property by extinguishing a small fire and containing its unit the civil defense or fire force arrive. Portable extinguishers, however useful, do have their limitation because fire grows and spreads so rapidly that a number of priority for residents or workplace or citizen must be to get out safely. So you can call a fire force or civil defense. In short, it is an attitude that most must be lived every day, both at home and workplace. You should have this in mind, how to use the fire extinguisher. Then I'm going to talk about what is fire. Fire is a rapid combination or reaction known as a combustion, which occur when fuel and oxygen interact in the presence of sufficient heat to cause ignition. Then it simply means fire is the reaction, or fire is the combination of fuel and oxygen. Then when there is a wind or heat, it ignites, it creates a fire. Then what is a fuel, right? A fuel, it can be anything like LPG, like a gas, then any liquid or solid material. Example include like wood, paper, plastic, rubbers, flammable liquids, gas. Then oxygen is the concentration of oxygen. It requires sustainable combustion. Then what is heat also? Heat is a form of energy. Terminal energy. Sufficient terminal energy must be applied to raise the combustible material to its ignition. That the temperature, when there is extremely heat, fire can ignite, right? Then I'm going to talk about another topic, talk about the fundamental of public fire safety. Protections against the fire needs not be complicated. Even the simplest things can help save you and your loved ones from fire. Here are the basic steps of fire prevention. You're talking about electrical equipment, right? When using an electrical equipment, ensure that the following are in proper order. Example, the electrical appliance do not have lost or damaged cord or plug. The outlets are not overloaded with plug. You are not running electrical wire under a rub or a heavy furniture. You are not oversketching or extension cord. Simple signs of electrical system problem. You have to unplug one appliance before you connect another one. Then you have to use an extension cord outlet extensively. Fuse below circuit breaker trip frequently. Then light dim when you switch another appliance on. Then cooking fire. Cooking fire is leading cause of fire and fire-related injuries in the home. Reading the following guidelines to learn how to avoid cooking-related fires and injuries, and how to deal with cooking fire materials. Then in cooking fire material, as about cooking fire, right? When fire arises when you are cooking is the leading cause of fire and fire-related injuries in homes. Following the guidelines to learn how to avoid cooking-related fires and injuries, and how to deal with cooking fire should as arise. To prevent fire cooking, attend to cooking at all times. Keep the handle of the pots or pan turned to avoid they knock them over. Where it's hot, you try to avoid it. If you are wearing a long sleeve, fold the sleeve while cooking. Make sure they never contact the flame. Then 3. Always ensures the electrical cord or curtain or towels and ovens cloth are at a safe distance away from the stove top. Only barbecue outdoors, never indoors. Do not barbecue in a garage. Either while barbecue, keep away from deck rails and tablecloth and tea limb. If a cooking fire does occur, smoke the fire by sliding a slip over the pot or a pan, or using a fire blanket. Turn off the stoves, and if safe to do so, shut off electrical and gas occurs.